What's up guys? In this video I wanted to give you some tips for living in a dorm or an apartment or wherever it be that you're living in your first years of college. Moving into the dorms can be a very foreign and sometimes frightening experience for some. I don't think that it needs to be scary at all, so I wanted to give you some tips on how you can best manage living in a dorm or an apartment. One of my first tips for living in a dorm or an apartment is to get to know the people that you're moving into your dorm with. I found that being friends with my roommates has made my living experience so enjoyable. I look back to coming home after my classes or breaks from home. I also think it's important to establish rules of living when you first move in. Agreeing on things like bedtimes or acceptable noise levels, who cleans what, if you can borrow each other's stuff. It's likely that at some point you or your roommates will have to clean your living space. In order to keep things as fair as possible, I find that it's sometimes nice to write out people's responsibilities on a sheet of paper. Writing out people's responsibilities on a whiteboard or a piece of paper can be really useful in eliminating miscommunications. Having something written down, it's there, it's now, can't deny it. When living in the dorms, I also think that it's important that you keep your area nice and tidy. An important tip for those of you that are moving into dorms, be ready to be very efficient with your space. Dorms are incredibly compact. You usually do not have a lot of room, and usually you're sharing that dorm with someone else. So finding ways that you can minimize the amount of space that your stuff takes up is great in allowing you to bring more things to your dorm. There's different ways that you can manage your space. I've found that containers and bags are essential in keeping your room tidy. Try to avoid letting things pile up, especially the trash. It can be easy to be lazy in college. My final tip is, as awesome as it may be to have your own dorm or apartment, don't be trapped in it. Don't let yourself stay inside all day. Go out, see the world. Alright guys, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.